So in this video, I created a button here. So ideally, when I click on this button, it should let me to take to this page, page 2. Okay, if I don't have access, it will take to page 3. That's the concept behind this. So if I have permission, I will click modeling and click view as, and I will select my logged in credential role will be. Now you see it turned to open cost report, and when I click on this, it is taking to page 2. Okay, so if I don't have access, it will say you don't have access, and when I click by that time, it will take to the page 3. Suppose if I change the view as to someone else, so I'll just change the name and click OK. See, now it is turning to you don't have access, and when I click this, it is taking to page 3. See if this is working for you. Okay, let's see how to implement that. So I'll open a blank report. I'll get data from my previous Excel. So I have two data set here. One with the name of the person who should see the access or who should not see the access. Either you can maintain this or that. Okay, so it depends. So if you have a list of users who should not see some data or who should not have access to a button, add them into this list. Okay, and this is my main data set. So I will just load both the things and let it get loaded. So let's say I have three pages. Okay, one is my home page or landing page. So let's say this is my home, and I have a main page. So this is my main page, and I have my third page called no access. Okay, so I have three pages now, and in the no access, I'll just simply add this text box. So here I will simply type you don't have access. In a bold format. With a bigger font as well. Okay, and in the main table, say I have my main data set like a table. Okay, so in the table I will just have the data. It can be a table or it can be a chart, anything as such. Okay, now let's go to the main table, main home page. So here I have a button. So in this button, so I'll go insert. The insert, I will be adding a blank button. So this is where we are going to apply the styles. So in the default text, let's say open main data. Okay, for those who don't have permission, it will not be visible. That's a concept of this thing. So now we are going to create some DAX formulas on this access page. So our first DAX will be, so new measure. So I'll just change this. So here I mentioned the access flag equal to 1. So which means whomsoever want to see the button. So if you make a flag equal to 0, it means who should not want to see the button. So that is the ideal difference. And after this if condition, this is the true statement. If equal to 0 means it should go to the no access page. So the spelling has to be the same exact what you mentioned here, including the cases. So if it is false means it should go to the main page. So this is what we are going to do it in the button navigation property. So I'll click this OK and set this button, go to the action, turn this on and make it as page navigation, and in the destination go to the this formula button. This will open up a small window. Here field value, here set the option and set this button visible. Click OK. Now this will work. Now when I click this button, it is going to the main page as I don't be in the equal to 0. Okay, so how to do it? You need to apply the user roles also for it. Before that, I will set the value of this button as well. Okay, now that we are going to create 3 more, so let's create the other things. In so this one is access.